afternoon to you wherever you find yourself, and welcome to Ofie Kwanso.
Now somebody jump onto your feet and offer unto God a living sacrifice of praise, even with the fruit of your lips.
Ofie Kwanso, Ofie Kwanso.
Ebusia, meeting the grace of your when you are from the black eyes.
Sunday magic Shira. About 4 years, my fury,
Jesus,
oh, you see,
to be wise. Papa yan to be wise. His son said, the Lord is our shepherd. We shall not want. He maketh us lie down in green pastures. He leadeth beside us the still waters. He restoreth our soul. He leadeth us in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though we walk through the valley of the shadow of death, we will fear no evil, for thou art with us. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort us. Thou preparest a table before us in the presence of our enemies. Surely, 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 goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our life. And we will never ever, we will continue to dwell in the house of the Lord forever. We will never ever forget his goodness and his mercy. What a wonderful, what an amazing God we serve. Jesus, Jesus. Oh, dear, that's what I you. Jesus.
Oh, Jesus. Olivia,
da da da.
Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh,
Yankobio, Yankobio, Yankobio.
Jesus. Jesus. Oh, that of no.
Jesus, Jesus.
Oh,
he's the God of yesterday. He's the God of today. He's the God of tomorrow. And now we are young fana ye mranwa. Nyame dia na so ache ye yo.
Ofie Kwanso, Ofie Kwanso, Ofie Kwanso.
By Kind Courtesy Natural Way Herbal Clinic. By Kind Courtesy AdomOnline.com. By Kind Courtesy Transition the Funeral People. By Kind Courtesy Pharma Trust Limited. By Kind Courtesy DBS Roofing Sheet. By Kind Courtesy Guarantee Trust Bank. By Kind Courtesy Kojak Pharmacy. And you may call your dark. What's your say? My one so joining me on the show. Near your body, yeah, brand. Yeah, the Nasia brand. Sanso Nunkuto no Fata. Nidi and Jehovah. will provide for us. Nyamina wan kunya odi na chaya no. Odi ebe kwa wie ye padodo. Nyagidie woni mu ma me. Eno nti ne friend Jehovah no. He is worthy of our praise this afternoon. Mamen kwa homa no so. Join me why? Jinemu fama wa busuafo. Jinemu fama wa dwumayefo. Jinemu fama u area for. Jinemu fama oh my God. The Fanyamia Yemran radio on Adom 106.3. Me patch on my telephone line in you 0302 216 561. Ebenezer 0302 216 562 and 0268 499 347. Okay, be a generous watcher. Yam picky be and quiet anymore. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Mammy, I'm assuming you can why?
Pachen count.
You know, me pacha why you?
Pachen Abigail.
Abigail, shall hear no way.
Miss me the radiatio. What is here? Why am I? Sir, Kanya, who can't go through all that minimum. Yo, my campus is say coming transfer na me. No so radia manam panisa. Me the radia yo. What can see why am I?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Black.
Mama, nyame asum dwen kan why?
Amen en kan wo.
You na pacha why you?
Mbasa the response to you, me kasa feel like she be.
Nyame ajo no abusia.
Free clothing.
You, mama yentie we.
Me da nyame ase ene so woni bambo kese a odi boy.
Amen.
Ene Adom FM adwuma fo nyina.
Amen. Amen.
Ikan bright ring. Bam your body. Ene black eye.
Ya me ka ho bia ba.
Da nyame ase mama nkwa wai.
Amen. Nyame Nadumo. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Mini anyame asum yen kan why?
Yeah, asuming Kwanso.
You na pacha why you?
Yes, me Azabeko, me frefi akuse.
You, nyame ajo no abusia yentie wa wie.
Amen. Me friend yankupa aduma magana me nyinara. Me ntumi mbo obi ani di baako but me se asumdwe kanko ediye ma obiara se yankupa onka yen ho na afi onfa yen femi nko 2019.
Amen. Yes, no, your hand. Okay, hello, good afternoon.
Great Black
Respect.
Ashama Lebando Zone 5.
Afa, nyame asum yen kan why?
Nyame asum yen kan wo so Great Black na me ya ho pa.
Ebenti na ora ho.
Say last week yantia sem papa Ashama Lebando Zone 5 for ya shire ya dofo bi ya ba okoto man ho mu manyame etun sefra no. Nti na yantia sem papa. Nti ya ba shire bu kan for so ya mkopo na launch omo edin.
Amen.
Great Baka, Mamanda Yamia, Mamma, customers, Umbe, to respect her Katina, Yanko on a mobile and every month cost, no minutes can be in the woman.
Amen. Nafra Duma family and Fana Yem Why? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You, Yamiasum Yen Kawai.
And I'm asking and Kwanso.
You, Nampacha, why you?
We Doctor Mention from so.
May I say, Yamia Jono Abusia, Yentie.
Yeah, Medana Copuanse, Oshe, a few years here in Canamino Yatin Kumu, not on my Ghana Tiasia, not tactical no Ayasita. And I'm the man who should be upon young Copuan or share me also on my Yahu and Massam. Mamifa Quena Wisu, Namina Yamiase, and Fama Suhum Police Commander Joseph Wusu or Yechuma Papa Yamishano, near Jumapa or Yediama or Mangana. Macam Yaminka.
good afternoon.
Afternoon.
You, mama, nyamia sum yen kan why?
Count.
You, nampacha why you?
What's your friend Laura?
You, Laura kasa free here na area.
Kasa free ashama. Atadeka.
You, nyamia jonu abusu yen tie we.
No. The radio series every so I bought me home by. So I'm not for me back. And let the not coming.
Amen. Dodo. Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Na me pacha why you?
Kwame Kashiri, Copenhagen, Denmark.
Yo, na Christ asumyen kan why?
Yo, what's the case of your council?
Have you ever yet here? Jamia, you be a man who abusia.
You radia the brain. I'm say last year, today, and I'm the and I'm marking 1 year of my surgery.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, very successful.
Wow.
Yes, I'm the radia.
Amen.
Wo black eye.
Obetumi adanyamia se dia mama brabo ba wontumi nchia me ti danyamia se fa mama brabo. Yes, that thing say no ya nyame dia. Wa hu dia me chire no sa na ye sa.
The danyamia se so osofo eni yele mama Linda o Kopelege hado.
Amen.
Me tia ubia so me tia babusia fo. Yamen
Copenhagen. More papi. Africa, I'm picking 2 more calls in Kahawai. Yo, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Black Eye.
Christ asumyen Kahawai.
Asumyen Kawo.
Yo, nampacha why you?
We are Jakwam Tela for Pontin and Junction.
Yo, Namia Jono Abusia Yentewe.
Yo, Minia Yankopon Ake, Yankopon Ayade, Mamma, Mamma, and Mini and Mimba, Yabusian in Akia, Yana, to Adom. Now black eyes looking up at this one, Napea, Amen.
I'm why didn't I do or see talk. Papa does me here I do my talk. You pick your friend for chat to an area. Hello, Catchy.
Yeah, psychologically, biologically, mathematically, authentically.
Hey, Papa, wait, station be a Mokobia, I'll chase me home.
Them are midway.
Now, maybe I'm call the uncle.
Interzone, why not? You are living well.
Yeah, the Yamiasi. Christ as some years on Kawai.
Oh, one council, Papa.
Amen. Yente.
Yo, power of universe, Lord of Lord, Chidekeni Hozino. Oh, this afternoon, we appreciate your united perpetual peace. Our lovely Father, you are not eligible, but we have and also have shortcomings, but you are able to overlook our sins. Power of universe, you have given us a divine favor, a divine aspiration. We thank you. As sympathetically, you are the only one to be worshipped. We thank you, how far better. Glory, hallelujah. Amen.
Oh, Intazo. Zozo nazo only my last caller. It man can't throw the abuse. Man can't catch up as my mobile and friend. Guaranteed Trust Bank, what one suffer. Guaranteed Trust Bank, says, we see Kasembe Koya, when one link it was so white. Nina says, o monthly pay, no, come on, or salary, no, or the fawa, and bra, we hear one over to me, and to catch our boss, so bet to our car on for Guaranteed Trust Bank. Why? Me patro more ton, dear more traders in Yina Mutia Mina Yamamo Yiko. Guarantee Trust Bank say enkai mo se muhia sika edi abia adwuma nim. Muhia sika edi akra ne oma beton wa. Money Guarantee Trust Bank entwetwe nkomo obetie wa so pe. Guarantee Trust Bank is so sika kakra ho na sika ne da ho. Na sika ne na ho say da ho. Because who 1,000 in now. Next year 1,000 no ne value no is what. And until wo sika da ho afabra na fa betro mo financial instrument ni mu bi. Niema sika ne nya adwuma na homa. Let your money work for you. Guarantee Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Area DBS roofing sheet. DBS roofing sheet. The only place I say auto a your roofing sheet amount 20 years warranty. A DBS and Kwa baby any ho my god. Wouldn't rather go to auto on your man on 20 years warranty. What you want your money do? What you want roofing sheet need do? When him say your quality the almost pass the test. Say your durability almost pass the test. Say your affordability almost pass the test. DBS Industries. Our Spinters Road. Papaya Restaurant. DBS roofing sheet. Nyame Adom Sikaba Mawusi Wotanya. Real estate developers. Ankra building contractors. Montom roofing sheet in free DBS. Give them a call today on 0204 344 561. Obabia here healthy link healthy woman a dray. We are bana would hear me. We here healthy link healthy woman a dray. Say sorry of my chief could just so na ye bana she and ye kobe energy no suit to mete. And unto your babia would hear me. We here healthy link healthy woman even a boy increase your immune system, a boy boost to fertility level, improve blood flow. Now all our chances of heart disease. Obabia a healthy woman. A drop free healthy link for Farmer Trust. The patch home, I mentioned the menopause. I dread a healthy link menopause tablets. Furniture license can cash from Pharmacy DM. Farmer Trust Limited, one what you just. Me patch say uti and a yawa. Say your coat and a abejao so. Say a kata no and a enqua. A dra a bejuo a pro code. Pro code. Furniture license can cash off Pharmacy BM. Ubenya pro code, you will to me. Kojak Pharmacy phone, what you one crown wire Kojak sensitive toothbrush. Any Kojak F and P toothpaste. A boama sina who did Kojak Farmer or can she drag left? At to phone for 0249 20 99 20. Yeah, was it a young farmer a natural way herbal clinic? What one saffron? Was it say your kidney who not touch him? And now we kidney out to so kidney now what the other for one natural way herbal clinic. Doctor, Professor Riafia Kente. Why there were Jumani power, but one in the doctor sending the nurses now show man what all. One more the state of art health facility. Wababwa show amounts who kidney no. I want the Abemwan and catch you cry to Gideon. Mona Furniture Santa Maria. Natural way herbal clinic Wabenjala Hotel. Fresh 0245 159 547. Ebusuafo nyame agimo de hye bia no mema mo yakowai. Se mo de hye bia firi mu a me fa eye kasa fidie suma mabusuafo ni nyina yakọ. Nyame na no ma ono ana agye. No ana onim de oye. Abribia na yemfa na yeyi ma no wa. Ba ni nyina mu ono. Transition the funeral people want to Ozafra. Was say nyame ato ne safra wabusuani. Na se mo be ye na ye no atumi aye fe na abusuani ni mu atumi abanyamo a. Mo fa ye no ho hihye ye nyina. Mo fa nkodan transition the funeral people. They're a member of the enterprise group. And me kwada ma one obo aso ase. Me ya de ye radia ya de ba. Ofie Kwanso, radio on Adom 106.3. Meeting the Kwesi Apia, I'll bet me from a black eye. Papa the bills. Quadruple the action on the senior producer. Jonas said the more tire cheaper. Hey, African. Yo, man like Abba, you have greetings, bro. Of our sales department, you are large. Me patch over to me action on live on Facebook or Facebook. Now type it Adom 106.3 FM. Adom 106.3 FM. Now share action because me be interview you. Ghana, oh yeah. Let's celebrate our own. Let's celebrate our stars when they have life. Okay, baby, I agree. Papa Bill, say to come kakra. Na yemfa efutu kakra ntwi. Eno nti papa, bojaz mame. Daughters for jazz we you too much. Da 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 do da 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 do da aji.
Ofie Kwanso.
Ebusia, meeting the Kwesi Apia, obet me a from a black eye. Adom FM jingles ni na we na ya me de pa de me beboy.
Adom FM 106.3.
I swear. A big thank you to Future Life Health Drink. A big thank you to Feco Spray Starch. A big thank you to Global Access Savings and Loans. A big thank you to Serene Insurance. A big thank you to AdomOnline.com. It doesn't matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not want to stop. It doesn't matter. If you can fly. If you cannot fly, run. If you cannot run, walk. If you cannot walk, crawl. If you cannot crawl, do whatever you can to keep yourself moving. Man, show obi speed and find determine speed. The son said, "What o destiny is different from obi destiny." But the obi to me ayama who said, "Make sure you are still moving. Keep moving. Ebi the 60 kph beba, ebi the 70 kph beba, ebi the 40 kph beba. Ye nyina ye ko, eye denya ye bedu. Just keep moving." It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. Keep moving. Because when there is life, definitely there is hope. Me pacho fa Feco Spray Starch. Fa to ontade, o de Feco Spray Starch e de to ontade a. E ma ontade na ni da ho. O de Feco Spray Starch e de to ontade a. Yes, our nice fragrance o mu a o to ontade ni hu ya. E hu po hia se obesa e use perfume bia. Da bi da. Feco Spray Starch. Double pa. Me pacho so be look sharp. Na what to ade ma ade na ni aye fa edini ye Feco Spray Starch. Feco Spray Starch, another product from Samara Company Limited. One word ya badwa so nya bi e bebo pa. Me pacho pi wunim se Ghana memu ha. Say ye can money transfer business or my Ghana mu ha. Edino ye Global Access Savings and Loans. Aye. Ye can ye money transfer adwuma. Se wa dofo na wabusua wa manone wo diska be sende o. Na won se tumi aka sika no pepepe. Ye Global Access Savings and Loans. Onu antwetwe nkomo. Wo mo branches wa Accra, Tema, Kumasi, Aguna, Swedro. Enu ti wa dofo wa broche no mo sende uska. Catch from say Edino ye Global Access Savings and Loans. Open bank and savings and loans from Kwa. Ometumi aboa ma wadwuma na tumi anyinia. Eye Global Access Savings and Loans. Say your loan be na wo pa, wo no want to twen koma why. Open baby abe save you sika no so oni Global Global Access Savings and Loans. If you're looking for a great partner, Global Access, your partner, your choice. Press 0302-734-580. Mepacho insurance ya dia ehu hia ma onipa bia wa brabo imu. Esan say ye koba obia nim the next minute the ebesi. Obia nim ochina sem. Obia nim the ebesi the next second. Enu nti no ehu be hia se ubetutu anamo ye na odu ho agina ye. Ba odu ho be gina ye nso a. E was so to ma Serene Insurance for agina wachi. Serene Insurance for gina wachi a. Eda asembeba no. E na obehunu wo so mfaso ankasa. Nyame adom watumi anya ska toka. Motor insurance no brana beyen was Serene Insurance. O cranium friamanoni and adenium cost marine insurance and aviation insurance. Going for the trusted partner. Yeke na Serene Insurance. Accident insurance hunyem seminina no. Serene Insurance beshe ajiwa kechiremu ma onso etumi bounce back to life. Frame 0302-917-446. Shisha Serene Insurance at Chakwan or head office. Our first floor, First Sky Tower, Community 25 Junction, Pome Barrier. At La Paz and so N1 Highway, opposite ADB. The new phase of insurance, that one is Serene. And then my guest in the studio is J-U-P-I-T-A-R. That's his name, man. He's our guest in the studio. They are crying and shut down plan.